Guys, welcome back to Charisco Crypto. Welcome. Let's discuss. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's discuss Bitcoin. Let's discuss crypto. Let's talk about everything else that is happening in the crypto space, guys. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. You are all welcome. So Bitcoin is still holding strong above $108,000. So same as yesterday, but at least we have a lot of bullish news today more than yesterday. We show that Bitcoin and crypto will keep holding strong. So let's discuss. So with this company, so buy at least about 15% to 20% of total Bitcoin supply. So let's look into that. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. Guys, Elon Musk is embracing Bitcoin once again. You guys already know that, you guys already know that, the CEO of Strategy, which is a Michael Saylor, has been buying and buying and buying. So which we'll be looking into that as well. So that is because Saylor, he just proposed they will be selling about 4.2 billion of their stock to buy more Bitcoin. So it's already holding about $64 billion worth of Bitcoin as of today, but he still want to buy more. And Elon Musk just said that, which is the CEO of Tesla, he said that fiat is useless, which is the government money. And, Bitcoin, his political party, which is America Party, they will be embracing Bitcoin. So, guys, we'll be diving into the markets. So, as you guys can see here, so Trump says that, Musk has gone, you know, off the rail. So, Tesla CEO, which is Elon Musk, you guys already know, most of you guys know him. So he just announced a new political party, which is called the America Party. So what is happening? So guys, not a lot of good things happening in the crypto space. So let's discuss. Sisi said that you need to be patient in the crypto space in order for you to make money in crypto. Bitcoin and crypto has teach me how to be patient over the past few years. So a lot of good headline, a lot of people keep buying. Today I just still log into the Bitcoin exchange supply. It hitting a new all-time low once again. So Elon Musk said that the tax is cut. So it's worth nothing. It's useless if the government keep printing more money. That is because they will keep more inflation. The inflation will keep increasing. So which is amazing. Meta Planet just bought another new Bitcoin. El Salvador, they just bought another huge Bitcoin. Yeah, greetings, guys. Greetings. So let's dive into the market. So, guys, as you guys can see on the screen, so this is from CNBC. What is happening here is that Elon Musk said that the government they keep printing more money. So because of that, he will start his own political party. So which they will be embracing Bitcoin. So which I'll be showing you guys all this headline now. So stay tuned. So don't go anywhere, guys. So let's discuss Bitcoin and crypto. So President Trump, they just asked him, so what did he think about Elon Musk starting his own political party? He said Elon Musk goes out of his reign, and there's no any other political party that have started over the past few years except the two political party that is existing in the United States. We all know Elon Musk, anything that he said he will do, he will do it. So for sure, Elon Musk will succeed with this political party. So will they buy at least how much Bitcoin would they be buying? So Elon Musk said that they will be embracing Bitcoin. We'll be looking into that now. So which take us here, as you guys can see, Elon Musk confirmed America party will embrace Bitcoin because fiat is hopeless. Fiat is hopeless. I keep telling you guys this every single day that fiat is hopeless. One of the way for you to hedge against inflation is to make sure that you are holding a Bitcoin and crypto. This is real. I will even show you guys the tweets during, this is an headline that covered the tweet, but I will even show you guys the tweet during a Q&A, question and answer. So Elon Musk said that, fiat, which is the government money, you guys who are in Bitcoin and crypto already know this, that, the government money is called fiat. Fiat is useless. So that is because the government keep printing more money every single day. One of the way for you to hedge against inflation is for you to hold Bitcoin and crypto. This is one of the richest man on this planet. The richest man on this planet. You guys know, smart people tell you that the government money is useless. One of the way is to embrace Bitcoin and crypto. So, guys, this is huge for the Bitcoin and crypto community. Don't forget, 2021, even if Tesla was accepting a Bitcoin as payment. So, when this new political party started, which is called the America Party, Elon Musk said that they will be embracing Bitcoin. So imagine if they decide to buy just even if test even if strategy they're already holding strategy already holding about 3% of Bitcoin supply. So imagine when Elon Musk decide at least for them to hold at least 10% of a Bitcoin supply. So guys, so Elon Musk is telling you today that fiat is useless. One of the way is for you to embrace Bitcoin and crypto. That is real. So that is the reality because one of the way for you to hedge against inflation is to make sure that you hold the Bitcoin and crypto in your portfolio. It's very, very important. So the smart people keep now you guys can see the smart people now telling you that you have to make sure you are holding Bitcoin in your portfolio. So that's because Bitcoin and crypto has become one of the best performing assets over the past few years. So keep this year dollar cost average for you not to miss out in the crypto space, which is why I keep telling you guys that we are still early in the crypto space. This year is the best strategy. So let's move further. You guys can see here strategy skip a Bitcoin buy. So yesterday I was telling you guys that Michael Saylor he posted the strategies portfolio tracker. Guess what? He said that in Q2 we just ended in June. So they are sitting with about $40 billion in profit. I hope you guys can hear me clear. You guys know that, I keep, try to make sure I get the studio better, changing the microphone and everything on the studio. So you guys let me know on the chat if you guys can hear me better on this new microphone and all those things, man. So guys, so strategy, they said they just hold 40 billion dollars in profit in just Q2, which take us here. So strategy reveals $4.2 billion in stocks after missing first week's Bitcoin's buy in 3 months. So what will they be doing with this $4.2 billion? They said they will be buying more Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, which is the CEO of strategy, he said that he said that $4.2 billion, they will be selling in their stock to buy more Bitcoin. So despite they're already holding how much? They're already holding as of today, they are holding $64.5 billion in Bitcoin, but they are selling more Bitcoin today to buy. They are selling more of their stock today to buy more Bitcoin. Their stock, which is STRD. So they want to sell more of their stock to buy more Bitcoin, which is why I keep telling you guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin and crypto, man. The big boys, they keep buying and buying and buying. You guys can see on chain, they keep accumulating. So one of the way for you to hedge against inflation now is to make sure you hold the Bitcoin. So Elon Musk telling you that there will be embracing Bitcoin and crypto. His political party, which is you all know that Elon said that so the government they keep printing more money, which I'll be also be showing you guys. He said they keep printing more money. It's not getting better. So one of the way is for you to hedge against inflation is to hold a strong asset like Bitcoin, which is why I said that there will be embracing Bitcoin. So not just a micro strategy which is buying, guys, not just a strategy which is buying. So similar Similar scientific, they just acquire another 187 more Bitcoin. So what about $20 million increase is total holding? So in total holding, they are now holding 4,636 Bitcoin. You guys can say, they keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. Yeah, guys, I can see the chat booming. So drop your question on the chat. So if you are just coming, so you are welcome. So if you are just joining the community, you are all welcome. So all we do here, every single day, I keep encouraging you guys to this year in the crypto space. So for you guys for we all to achieve a financial freedom together. That is because Bitcoin and crypto has generated and created more millionaires than ever over the past few years. And you guys who have been in crypto for a while, we testify to that. So don't be scared. Learn how to be patient. It's very, very important as well. So when you invest in Bitcoin, give it time to grow so that we will all achieve a financial freedom together. So we stay course here again. Let's see what next. Meta Planet. Meta Planet just add another 2,204 Bitcoin today. For how much? For $237 million. They are now holding a 15,555 Bitcoin. Yo, guys, I keep showing you guys those data for you guys to see what is happening. So you should not sleep on Bitcoin, guys, for sure. They keep buying and buying and buying. It's on chain. So just BlackRock is already holding $75 billion worth of Bitcoin as of today. So maybe I will also be showing you guys that during a Q&A. Yeah, you guys are welcome. Yeah, Rafa from Twitch. You guys are all welcome. You guys are welcome. So if you're watching from, if you are watching from Twitch, you are watching from Kick. So also make sure you are following me from on the YouTube channel. It's very, very important. So guys, every single day I'm here to keep encouraging you guys because the Bitcoin, I've been DC over the past few years, you know. So just guess what? Now Tesla will start accepting Bitcoin once again. That's because Elon Musk, you all know. So you always start for the better version of the asset, which is now he's recommending Bitcoin once again. Guess how much they will be buying? They will be up. They're already holding $1 billion worth of Bitcoin as of today. As of today, Teslas are still holding $1 billion worth of Bitcoin Plus. So, which it sounds crazy. That is how it is. So that is how it is, guys. So, which is why I keep telling you guys, keep this year, keep this year. So, don't sleep on Bitcoin and crypto. Don't sleep. So the big boys they keep accumulating and accumulating and accumulating. So one of the way to achieve a financial freedom now is buying a Bitcoin and crypto. You all know that. So if you are in Bitcoin and crypto space, you are in the right way, and we are still early. We are still early. We are still early, guys. So you guys can say this is Meta Planet. Just added another $237 billion today. So imagine this is an asset that has a mass supply, you know. So it's not like gold, which you can get more gold, but you can't get more Bitcoin. You can't get more Bitcoin. This is 21 million that will ever be in existence. So we only have 1.4 million Bitcoin to be mined over the next few years. So we show that this asset is so scarce. So if you are in Bitcoin and crypto right now, you are still early in the crypto space. So let's move further, guys. Let's see what next. This is Jack Dorsey. So you all know the founder of S, aka Twitter, so which is now owned by Elon Musk today. Jack Dorsey just tested BitChat, decentralized BitChat message with an without internet. So this this is huge. So building it on chain. So it has to be, this has something to do with crypto. So, Jack Dorsey is testing a bit chat, decentralized message without internet. So we show you now you could be able to chat without internet, and is building it on chain. So which is amazing as well. So apart from that, let's see what next. how my camera was again. So let me bring out the camera, guys. Okay. Guys, let's move further. That Satoshi way, the Satoshi way that moved a huge amount of Bitcoin a few days ago. So when a lot of people were scared, just like as I was telling you guys, I think the way he was trying to protect himself, it's because sometimes those wallets they get exposed to other people, so you have to make sure you always keep your Bitcoin and crypto safe. So this way, so it could be that leakings to wallet security upgrade. It could be that he was trying to upgrade the security of his wallet, which is why he moved those Bitcoin because he haven't still sold a single Bitcoin since then. So always keep your Bitcoin and crypto safe. It's very, very important. So you guys know if you are working so hard every single day to create a financial freedom, but there are people who are working so hard to take the Bitcoin and crypto away from you. So guys, don't be scared. So always this year, you guys can see Bitcoin is still holding strong above $108,000. The Wall Street keep accumulating. So which is why even if CZ tweeted about a few hours ago, maybe I also should be showing you guys the tweet. So about being patient, it's very, very important being patient in the crypto space. This is Elon Musk, guys. Elon made this tweet about a few hours ago. So this is Elon. What is Elon saying? He said tax cuts are worthless. The government will tell you, just like in the US right now, they are cutting the taxes, but it's useless. He said tax cuts are worthless. Yeah, it's useless. The government, whether they are cutting the tax, they may tell you, oh, so it's worthless, it's useless. If the government keeps overspending, inflation is the real tax. Inflation is real, guys. I hope you guys can see this. Inflation is real. I keep telling you guys every single day that one of the assets that hold against inflation now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin does not have inflation because it has a mass supply. You can print more Bitcoin, you can print more fiat. So, guys, you guys can see it here. So, this is one of the richest man on this planet telling you inflation is real. He said that tax cut because President Trump said you know, he want to cut taxes, but now he want to print more money. You can see how they will play you. The government will play you. They want to they want to cut taxes, but they want to print more money. How much are they printing? 3 point something $1 trillion plus. So how does that sound? That they want to print more money, but they are cutting taxes. You know, that sounds crazy, man. So we stay cost here. Just about a few hours ago, we still have about $183 million liquidated. Guys, this is crazy. I don't know. Every single day I keep saying it, don't pray with leverage. Why will you be trading with so much leverage? Bitcoin is still not even down with $1,000, but we now have how much liquidation? 100, $183 million liquidation. This is crazy. So don't trade with leverage. If you just coming into the crypto space, I keep telling you guys every single day, one of the way to hedge against inflation is not to hedge against inflation, to make more money in the crypto space is not by trading with leverage, no, but by buy and hold for a long term. It's very, very important. Buy and hold for a long term. So it's one of the way for you to hedge against inflation, not by using, not by trying to make sure that not by trying to make sure you are trading with leverage. Don't trade with leverage, guys. It's very, very important. Don't trade with leverage. So which take us here, which I will be showing you guys this. This is a CZ. So Binance, the founder of Binance. So what is CZ saying here? You guys need to see this. In the crypto space, I always tell you guys, Bitcoin is an asset. And when you are buying, you have to give it time to grow. So this is CZ. So what CZ is saying here is that, he said, the Binance founder, which is a CZ, he said, if you want to get rich quick, don't touch crypto. Don't invest in the crypto space expecting that, oh, you have to double your money overnight. It does not work that way, guys. So when you are investing in Bitcoin and most of the good cryptocurrency, so you have to take them as an asset. So when you invest, hold for a long term. It's one of the way to be financially free, not by it's one of the way to be financially free, not by just investing today. Just like you are buying a land, you are expecting it to double in price tomorrow. It does not work that way, guys. It does not work that way. Bitcoin and crypto, Bitcoin is an asset, and when you are investing in Bitcoin and crypto, give it time to grow. It's very, very important, guys. So keep this here. So this is just about. Let me bring this to you guys once again. This is just about less than 1 hour ago. So yesterday, even a few days ago, I showed you guys that Bitcoin supply on exchange, they keep hitting a new time low. This is just about less than 1 hour ago. So when a Bitcoin magazine posted this, that Bitcoin supply on exchange has just fallen to a new time low once again. This is bullish news for the Bitcoin and crypto space. This is bullish. You guys can see, I keep showing you guys those datas. So for you guys to see what is happening on chain, let me zoom in so you guys can see it better. But okay, you can see it now that Bitcoin, Bitcoin exchange supply, it keep hitting a new time low. This is Bitcoin price here. So the green line is the Bitcoin exchange supply. That's because the Wall Street now they are with we now have the smart money here. When they are buying, they are withdrawing their Bitcoin for centralized exchange to decentralize for decentralized. I take that back. So to that withdraw their Bitcoin from centralized exchange to decentralized exchange. So decentralized exchange, because your Bitcoin is more secure there. So withdrawing to hardware wallet, withdrawing to the cold wallet, all those ones. So withdrawing them from exchange, which is so centralized, but taking it to decentralized exchange, which is very, very important. So that is because Bitcoin stands for decentralization, Bitcoin stands for freedom, Bitcoin stands for unity. I keep telling you guys for every single day. So it's very, very important, guys. So keep DCA. It's one of the way to be able to accumulate more Bitcoin and to be financially free. So you are still in the right place, guys. So Bitcoin and crypto is here to give you freedom. So not just freedom, but to give you decentralization, the power of decentralization, because Bitcoin is so decentralized, so no one can take it away from you. You can hold a lot of other assets. The government can come and take it away from you, but it's not like Bitcoin. So which another one here? Let me show you guys. Let me bring this to you guys. Notice here. This is El Salvador. El Salvador. Over the past few days, they have added more Bitcoin, another 8 Bitcoin. They keep buying, despite the IMF keep telling them not to buy more Bitcoin. But no, they keep DCA. You guys can see plus 8 Bitcoin for the past 1 week. El Salvador keep DCA, dollar cost average. I know they are not buying so much like El Salvador, they are not buying so much like other companies like you know like MicroStrategy, which is now rebrand to Strategy, which is adding they will be adding another $4.2 billion in the next few weeks. So now that's because they will be selling some of their stock to buy more Bitcoin once again. So, but El Salvador keep DCA. They keep buying and buying and buying and buying. It's very, very important to keep DCA. So Elon Musk, he just confirmed to you guys that, so he will be embracing Bitcoin and crypto. One of the richest man on this planet telling you that, he will be embracing Bitcoin and crypto once again. This is not the first time. That's because, so he is smart. Back then, 2021, I believe they added it 2022. His company, Tesla, they were still receiving a Bitcoin as a payment, which is huge for the Bitcoin and crypto community, guys. It's huge. So this is the tweet here. So when this is the tweet, let me bring out the tweet. You guys all know that the government money is the government money is fiat. So which take us here, let me show you guys. So this is the tweet from Elon. So he respond to, they ask him, what happened is that they ask Elon Musk, you know, so with his new political party be embracing Bitcoin, which is called America Party, he said fiat is hopeless. So yes, they will be embracing Bitcoin. So fiat is hopeless. You guys can see it here. So this is the tweet. Elon. So this person asked Elon Musk, will America Party embrace Bitcoin? Elon Musk said yes. He said fiat is hopeless, which is the government money, is hopeless. So yes, he will be embracing Bitcoin. One of the richest man on this planet telling you yes, he will be embracing Bitcoin. So guys, and he will be buying. Guess how much? Bitcoin, we only have 21 million. Elon Musk is a billionaire. What about 200 and something $billion? He may even decide to add $1 billion, $100 billion worth of Bitcoin. So to at least to control the you know the decentralization of Bitcoin, because so many people want to, when you want to gain power, you have to make sure you have a lot of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will skyrocket. We are still on track, guys. So don't be scared that each time Bitcoin is down with a few percentage, you'll be scared that Bitcoin is down. No, don't be scared. MicroStrategy to be raising $4.2 billion once again to buy more Bitcoin. Elon just confirmed that America Party will be embracing Bitcoin because fiat is hopeless. So fiat is hopeless. I keep telling you guys those things every single day. Keep showing you guys those data. One of the way to hedge against inflation is to hold Bitcoin and crypto. Keep DCA, yeah. Selikin is one of the way. Dollar cost average. So that is because it does not mean the market will debug down, but DCA, dollar cost average, is one of the way. Keep DCA and hold for a long term, which is why our DCA portfolio, my DCA portfolio will be starting maybe now to the end of the year when I think when the chart show me to buy. Even the SRP as well, SRP look bullish, which is why I added to the thumbnail. As you guys can see, SRP is looking bullish. The chart is looking bullish once again. So I was looking at the chart of SRP. Most of the altcoins are looking bullish. Let's quickly see. Once again, let me refresh the market. So let's see. Most of the altcoins are looking, they are still looking bullish. So even if as of today, you can see now it's now up, it's now trading $2 starting. SRP at $2 starting with about 2.48% in the past 24 hours. So it stayed flat between less than, let's say, 1% down. But one good thing is that Solana is still trading above $150. So as you guys can see. So guys, we have some fantastic news in the crypto space. So despite the market is still trading sideways, you don't have to be scared. Bitcoin is still trading sideways, which is sure. Aave is still slightly up today with a 4%. I was looking the market, Sui is being even if hype liquidity is being holding strong, it's almost back up to $140 once again. Hype liquidity is trading between $39.50. So most of the altcoins are holding strong. Most of the altcoins are holding strong. Toncoin is slightly down today because yesterday a news broke out that so all you just need to be doing is for you to stake $100,000 worth of Toncoin, and you'll be able to get United Arab Emirates golden Visa card. So, but it happened to be that it's like the United Arab Emirates declared that no, the authority said that that is false. Maybe they are working on it and haven't go through yet. But yesterday, CZ made a tweet that, so he will also push for the same for BNB, Binance Smart Chain as well. So let's look at Bitcoin's chart quickly. So the 1 hour chart. So guys can see Bitcoin is still holding strong above $108,000. So don't be scared. Let's do Q&A, question and answer, man. Let's do Q&A, guys. Don't forget, you guys are smart and intelligent with Bitcoin and crypto. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. I'm streaming to Twitter, but it's not reflected there. I don't know why. So, which sounds crazy, which is why I always tell you guys, make sure you are following me on the YouTube channel. Sometimes Twitter, is going crazy. I don't know if it's the platform. So, I'm streaming to it, but it's showing there, but it's not reflecting. So, guys, let's do Q&A, question and answer, man. You guys are welcome. You guys are welcome. Always share the stream with your friends and family. Let them know about Bitcoin and crypto. That is because, in the crypto space, it's a journey which you don't need to go alone. Let's go together. Let's make money together, guys. So just by investing in Bitcoin and hold for a long term, you know. So I showed you guys a few days ago. Even if as of just now, I showed you guys an address. So which movie about $8 billion plus what of Bitcoin, which was 80,000 Bitcoin in 8 address a few days ago. It was trying to secure them, move them to a new addresses. So that is because this person invests in Bitcoin when Bitcoin was still trading below $1. So it was opportunity to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was still trading below $1, which just $10 will have give you $1 million as of today. It sounds crazy. That is how it is. But you are still early in the crypto space. You are still early. You guys are still early. Guys, share with all the group in your Facebook group. Share for them. Share with your friends and family. Your Facebook group, your WhatsApp group. Share the stream to them. You know, you sharing the stream alone, it gives you an opportunity as well to also win Bitcoin and crypto from me. You guys are not fans to me. We are community. Let's grow together. So just by investing in Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate all the love. So I appreciate all the love, man. You guys are all welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I see all the chat, the greetings. I see them here. So let's do Q&A. So question and answer. So we call it a day. So you guys should go and enjoy the Monday, man. It's a brand new week, and I think this week we will have, the market will do great this week, man. I think so. I see all the greatest guys. So from a favor, Miraculous, Hayes, Maros, Rebes, Zara, I can't call you guys all, but thank you us. Oton, Kingdoms, Chris, Chidela, Slade, Matthews, Cetas, Akachi, Festus. I can't call you guys all. Thank you all for the massive love, man. Thank you. You guys tuning in every single day. It's encouraged me to keep, you guys know. So always be here every single day to be encouraging you guys about Bitcoin and crypto. That's because Bitcoin has created more millionaires than ever. Imagine turning $10 to $1 million just between a decade plus. So, which is why I still believe next cycle Bitcoin will be trading between minimum $500,000 per coin. Next cycle is just between 4 years from now. So invest in Bitcoin and hold for a long term. Just like as I can see on the chart, Seliki is telling you guys, yeah, this year is one of the way. It's one of the way for you to this year. It's one of the way. I'm coming down to the chart, so I'm starting from the top. So it's one of the way for you to achieve a financial freedom. So I want to buy down. According to I want to this year down. I will this year down and this year up. Adding $50, at least $50 to an open portfolio every single week. So the purpose of that portfolio is for you guys to see that buy as much as you can and hold for a long term is profitable. So what I will be doing, at least will be adding $50 every Thursday. So every Thursday, what's in a week? So and I want to turn that portfolio to like a $50,000 when you guys will see it. So if I'll be opportunity to this year for 2 years, buying down for 1 year, buying down. So for if you could be able to buy for 2 years, it will be giving you about $4,000 plus, and that $4,000 plus will be given at least $15,000 US dollars. So yeah, greetings, guys, greetings, guys, greetings, guys. Thank you guys for the massive love, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You guys are all smart. So Elon and Trump, that they were one friend. Yeah, attorney's enemy. It's out crazy, man. So President Trump now is not listening to Elon Musk. So which is why Elon Musk is starting his own new political party, which is called America Party. So that is because he want to make sure that this inflation is gone. So this government money that is the the United States national debt that is skyrocketing. It looks like it's even even the Bitcoin chart is not even compared to it. That is because it looked like a rocket. It's skyrocketing like this. So it's up like this, like a rocket. Every single day, keep jumping up. Now the U.S. President Trump just signed another bill. He call it a beautiful bill. To me, there is nothing beautiful about it because he want to print more money once again. How much did he want to print? He want to print another 3 point something billion dollars. He want to print another 3 point something billion dollars once again for him to, for him to have more money in the system. Then he will be telling you guys that he will be cutting the taxes, cutting taxes, but you are printing more money, which is why I show you guys this tweet just now from Elon Musk. This is a tweet from Elon Musk. Elon Musk said that tax cuts are worthless. This is useless if you want to cut taxes and if the government keep overspending. Inflation is the real taxes. Inflation is the real taxes. Inflation is the real taxes. That is because inflation is the real taxes. The pressure eats away your buy power. You have $100 last year. When the government prints more money, and inflation will be eating away your buy power, we show that inflation is the real taxes. So this is real. People who are in Bitcoin and crypto understand this. You have to understand how the system works. So the government don't want you to know this. They will tell you that the inflation is up to 3% a year. No, that is not true. They overspend money. They print more money, which is why Elon Musk is starting his America's America party. He said this America party will be embracing Bitcoin. That is because Bitcoin is that asset that start hedge against inflation. So which I think if Elon Musk and Michael Saylor said he is selling $4.2 billion of stock to buy more Bitcoin. So with Elon Musk and Michael Saylor combined, buying at least about 15% of total Bitcoin supply, it will really help in the crypto space. And Bitcoin will be going up in price. Raven, I think so, Raven, you are 100% right. I think is that is what is happening already. Because I saw it on news. What happened is that from a CNBC, as you guys can see here, Trump say Musk has gone off reign. There is a short clip when they was asking President Trump, what did he think about Elon Musk starting a new political party, which is called the America Party. He said that, Elon Musk had gone off reign. So Elon Musk is, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. You all know how he speaks. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous that he started a new political party. He don't think that this new political party will stand because, for over the past few years, the United States only have two political party, but Elon Musk bringing a new political party. He don't think that new political party will stand, but which I think it will stand because Elon is so smart and he has the money, and people believe in him because he's a smart guy. So which is why I think the political party will stand, which will embrace Bitcoin and crypto. You guys know that Elon Musk is a fan of Bitcoin. So even if his company, which is Tesla, as of today, they are still holding more than $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Raven, your question, the truth is that I think, uh, the Elon Musk's America party, they will be fighting against, President Trump party. I think so. Yeah, guys, I agree. I see all the greatest, man. 40 billion is big. Yeah. No, 4 billion. This guy, which is president, which is Michael Saylor said they will be raising another 2 point, no, $4.2 billion they will be raising. But even if as of today, they are still holding a 64.5 billion dollars worth of Bitcoin. So, but they are raising another $4.2 billion, which is huge. So, apart from that, so if you look at US export ETF, as of today, let's look at how much, today is Monday. Let's look at how much BlackRock is holding. BlackRock Bitcoin holding. So BlackRock, as of today, let's refresh it. So let's see if we are right. If we are getting it accurate. This is BlackRock. Just BlackRock alone is holding $75.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. In total, US export ETF, as of today, they are holding $135 billion worth of Bitcoin. 135 billion, 311 million, 89,579 worth of Bitcoin. Just a US export ETF alone, which that is huge. That is huge. So, which is why I think even if Bitcoin will deep down, it will deep down like last cycle. That is because the Wall Street, they are buying and buying and buying. We now have the Wall Street here, not like a previous cycle. So previous cycle, we don't have the Wall Street, but this cycle, we now have the Wall Street, which they keep buying and buying and buying. So, which is why I keep telling you guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin and crypto. So because the Wall Street, they are not sleeping. Now they keep buying and buying and buying. So join them to keep accumulating. It's one of the way. Guys, if you are watching me on Kick, so try to make sure, so no, if you are watching me on Kick, make sure you follow me on Kick, guys, and make sure you help me to subscribe to the channel as well on Kick. So you guys subscribing, I think we need about 10 subscribers on Kick for we to get fully verified. So you guys should help me do that, man, as well. Thank you, guys. So let's you guys are smart and intelligent for sure with Bitcoin and crypto. So let's create a financial freedom together. So those are the things which our parents was not able to do. So it does not mean you have to go all in Bitcoin, but this year buy $2, $3 worth of Bitcoin is very, very important. So buying $2, $3 is one of the way to go to be able to achieve a financial freedom. So keep this year. Have patience. It's very, very important as well. Bitcoin and crypto has teach me patience over the past few years. So I remember that most of the, even if the altcoin, even if Solana is still up huge. So I buy Solana between 18 19 $17. Solana head up to $216. I did not take profit. Solana dropped down to below $10. I was still buying, accumulating. So picking up Solana NFTs as well from point one Solana. And Quest, which is Solana NFT, I was picking them up where they was trading between a point one Solana, point two Solana. So Quest now head up to all-time high was about 50 something Solana. But I flipped my own early because I wanted to take profit, flipping them between 7 Solana, 8 Solana. It's one of the way for me to accumulate more Solana. So you must not have to buy Solana in a huge price, but pick them up pick some NFTs which you think they will go up huge. So pick them up. I showed you guys, even if a few days ago when I was making offer on Magic Eden to pick up some Solana NFTs so that we will be able to hedge against inflation. Even if Bitcoin is slightly down, let's say even if Bitcoin dip back down to like at least $96,000 in the next few months. Why will you be scared? It's an opportunity for you guys to accumulate more Bitcoin and crypto, guys. Each time the market dip back down, try to make sure you add some cash to the market. It's one of the way for you guys for we all to accumulate more Bitcoin and crypto. It's very, very important. Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. How is that possible? How can I help you with your phone chat, guys? That is from Twitch. DCA at the top. Now risk. No, it's never a bad time to DCA, Selikin. It's never a bad time to DCA. But I'm not buying right now because I think the market is already too high. Which every single thing I do, I tell you guys, I think the market is already way too high. Bitcoin went from $16,000 to $112,000. We are just about $4,000 away from all-time high, as you guys can see. So the market is still way too high. If you're in profit, take profit. So that's because I still believe in cycle that the market will deep down. So when it deep down, you will be able to accumulate more. So I don't have to tell you. But if you are just coming into the market, for you to understand the market, you don't have to wait till Bitcoin deep down 50% before you start buying. No, Bitcoin must not dip down 50% before you start buying. So now Bitcoin is still trading between $107,800 of now. Yeah, you can this year $2, $3, $5 each time you have some cash on your side. So when you understand the market, you can go all in. But I will never tell you guys that go all in. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I've been doing over the past few years. DCA, dollar cost average. You must not even know how to trade. You must not know the technical analysis. All you just need to do is to have an exchange account. There is a link in the description of this video for you guys to register with BYBIT. So you register when you register with BYBIT, you verify your document. They'll give you an IBAN. You can deposit your local currency, even if a Binance as well. You can deposit your local currency. You can invest $2, $3, which I will start my DCA portfolio. I keep reminding you guys. So if you don't know what to buy, you guys will be seeing when I will be adding those altcoins to my portfolio, and you guys can do the same thing as well. 2016, don't day cryptos, nothing anymore. Want to tell me that chart to go to tell you. What do you mean by that, Silicon? 2016. Yeah, 2016, so the market was still, one thing is that, we are still up high. So even if you were still in crypto 2016, so that's amazing. Congratulations that you were still early in the crypto space for you to buy more. It's an opportunity. So even if 2016 Bitcoin was still trading, Bitcoin deep below. I remember 2016 when Bitcoin dipped down to 3,500, if possible. Yeah, before Bitcoin skyrocket, $3,500. So if you are still in Bitcoin in the crypto space 2016, it's an opportunity for you. So congratulations. One thing is that if you have BTC over the past few years, you will still be in profit. I show you guys the calculation less than a month. Maybe in the next few days, I will have to show you guys the calculation again. If you have BTC, even if $20 a week in the past 8 years, you will still be having about almost between $100,000 in profit just by DCA. Adding $20, you don't even care whether the price is up, whether the price is down. You just have to, deposit the funds in exchange. Tell them you have to you have to register them. Buy $20 every single Friday or every Thursday or every Monday. So automatically your exchange, you don't even need to log in. It will be buying even when you are not there. You can do the same thing with Phantom wallet. You deposit USDT or Solana. You can just enter the spot wallet trading. You tell them, you register them to be buying, every single Friday, or every 2 days, every 3 days, every 5 days. It's possible. Sasha, send me a DM in Twitter if you have any this thing as you were saying. So you send me a DM in S, aka Twitter, Charisco Crypto. So send me a DM. I will never send you a DM telling you to send me your seed phrase. Be careful out there. There are people working so hard to take, So we may chat or through DM at least for Bitcoin and cryptos stuff, but I will never tell you to send me your seed phrase. So keep your Bitcoin and crypto safe. Anybody telling you to send your seed phrase, I will never tell you to send me your Bitcoin or your crypto to trade for you. No. So I will keep telling you guys what I'm doing to make money in the crypto space, but I will never tell you to send me your seed phrase. So never send your seed phrase to anybody, including me here. So it's very, very important. Keep your seed phrase safe. I know about technical analysis. It's very, very important. I check technical analysis every single day, Selike. So I check the technical analysis every day, which is why, so I have technical analysis. I do trade, but not at this time. So not, but I may not be professor in technical analysis, but, I know about technical analysis. So I check them every single day. So I'm here in the crypto space every day, so I check out the technical analysis, what is happening in the market, who is buying, who is selling, what the data are saying. So, which is why I even have information to share with you guys, which is why I'm here every single day to keep telling you guys, oh, so, be careful out there. So, this is what the market is showing. You guys can see me predicting the market. You must say my source of always predict the market is almost 90% accurate. So, it's because I have to check the technical analysis, what the data are saying. It's possible on Phantom to buy on spot. Maybe I will have to share with you guys the next few days. So all you just need to do is for you to log into your Phantom. So you go into Jupiter Exchange. Now I catch you. Let me see if I can do that here. So I'm on Phantom right now. So Jupiter, let me see. Jupiter DeFi. This is Jupiter DeFi. Okay. So you connect your wallet, which this wallet address is already connected. You can see I have some Solana here. Okay, now this is one of the way which I will be showing you guys the wallet address balance. So this wallet address, we have about 100 and something Solana here. So we are on a spot. So if you want to, you know, as you guys can see here, so when you are on a Solana, let me see, you can swap, you can go to the Pro address, the studio, the dashboard, the portfolio. So when you are on the Pro, let me see, it's possible on DCA. Let me see. I'll try to see it out. There is the DCA on Jupiter, which I'll have to log into this address because it's a. So I will be bringing it out. So I'll show you guys the DCA is possible here through Jupiter. So for doing a DCA dollar cost average here, so you just need to do is to be doing DCA. So you have to, when you connect your wallet to Jupiter, so you click on the DCA, you will tell him to be buying how many. It will have to be maybe $2, $3 every single time. So automatically it will be buying, but the funds have to leave your wallet. It will stay on the Jupiter platform. So it's just by connecting your wallet address to Jupiter's trading, which is a decentralized platform as well. The DCA It's one of the way here through Jupiter. USDC. Let me see the DCA. I'll be bringing it out, so I'll show you guys the next few days. So it's through Jupiter. It's possible through Jupiter. Favor was asking, so how is it possible to DCA through Phantom? It's possible to DCA through Phantom. It's just that I can't show you guys when I'm on my wallet address. I don't know whether it's for the security reason, which I think is good. So all you just need to do when you click on the icon on your right hand. So when you click on the icon on your right hand, when you're on your Phantom, you click on the icon on your right hand. So then you will scroll down to the trading the websites. So you click on Jupiter, then you connect your wallet to Jupiter. So it will show you DCA. So you have swap. If you want to swap, to some other meme coin. If you want to swap some meme coin, or if you want to swap to some meme coin, or you want to DCA dollar cost average, you can even use Solana to DCA, or you use USDT to DCA as well. So guys, you guys are smart and intelligent. So with Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. Bitcoin is still holding strong, between $108,000, as you guys can see on the screen. Ethereum is above $2,500 once again, so which is amazing. Even if it is holding strong these days. So the conclusion, the takeout is that Elon Musk, so which is the CEO. Oh my gosh, once again, man. My camera's just go out once again. So Elon Musk, which is the CEO of Tesla, Elon is telling us that, as you guys can see, Elon is telling you guys that him, his America's political party, will be embracing Bitcoin, which is huge, and not just that. So they may his company, which is Tesla, they may start buying Bitcoin anytime soon. So which is huge, guys. So stay in crypto, stay humble, keep staking SaaS, man. I will see you all tomorrow. And Michael Saylor is raising $4.2 billion to buy more Bitcoin. Which you guys know what that means. So you don't have to be fearful. Keep DCA. I'll see you all tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central European time. Don't forget, you are smart and intelligent. With Bitcoin and crypto, we will all achieve a financial freedom together. Charisco is out, guys.